class, and we have discussed.
Sir?
We have discussed regarding commands and requests so far. Today we have to discuss regarding commands and requests, and in earlier class we discussed regarding questions and statements. Okay, so how these are changed? You just write in reporting commands and requests. Index speech direct speech is introduced by verb expression command or request meaning that imperative mode is changed into the infinitive. Okay, so in reporting commands and requests, the indirect speech is introduced by some verb expressing command or request. Okay, verb expressing command or request, and the imperative mood is changed into infinitive, that is to plus first form of the verb. Okay, so you write the examples. Ram said to Arjun, go away. Okay, so it will become Ram. What is the mood reflected here? Okay, Ram said to Arjun, go away. So the mood reflected here is that of order. Okay, so we will say Ram order Arjun to go away. That is the infinitive. Is changed into the infinitive. So Ram order Arjun to go away. Okay, it will change like. If it seems a request to you, then you can write Ram requested Arjun. Okay, to go away. So Ram ordered Arjun to go away. So likewise, children, in imperative sentences where the command is given and request is made, okay, here to is used and the mood reflected there in the sentence, that is used. As Ram said to Arjun, go away, it is a type of order. So we have written Ram ordered Arjun. Then to is used. Ram ordered Arjun to go away. That you have to write. So is it clear to you, students? Yes, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, to provide your response. You write there this sentence. He said to him. He said to him, please wait here. Please wait here. Please wait here. Till I return. Okay. So, yeah, it is. He said to him. He said to him. Please is there.
He requested him.
Please wait, sir, till I return. So what it become?
He requested
He
to him.
requested. Yes. So we can understand what mode is there. That is of a request. So it will become he requested. He requested him to wait. He requested him to wait. He written. Likewise, the changes are to be made. Okay. He written. Okay. He requested him to wait there in a return. Okay, students. Then you write the next. Hold there. First. Hold there. First witness. Hold there. First witness. Said the magistrate. Magistrate. Okay. So the first witness. Hold the first witness. Say the magistrate. Magistrate. So what magistrate? What is this?
Magistrate
Magis-
ordered
Yeah.
ordered
ordered to call the first
So
ordered
then
to call the
magistrate
magistrate ordered
ordered
the witness to call
for the first witness. Okay, after the first witness, the magistrate ordered. The magistrate ordered. After what become two. The magistrate ordered to call the first witness. Okay, so likewise, it will become the magistrate order. So you have understood this order, how requested, suggested. Okay, how these are used. So the magistrate order two. Okay, and after comes first form. So the magistrate the first witness. Okay, children. So are you getting how it is changed there in imperative sentences, in commands and requests? Yes, children. In
Yes, sir.
commands and requests,
Yes,
if the
sir.
command is given, commanded. If the request is made, requested. If the order is given, ordered. Okay, if you find a suggestion, suggested, like that, then to is used. To and then first form of the word. So likewise, the changes are to be made.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Then children write the
Sir, your voice is breaking.
yes.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, I will. So he said, be quiet, be quiet, and and listen to his words. Okay, he said, be quiet, listen to his words. Okay, he said, be quiet and listen to his words. So how it change?
He ordered.
Yes,
He ordered.
He ordered. He ordered.
it could be order, it could be request, it could be an urge. Okay, so he said, be quiet and listen to his words. Okay, sometime for example,
Yes, sir.
somebody is making a lot of disturbance. Okay, I am teaching. So your fellow friend is making a lot of disturbance speaking in between. So that would not can't be an order. Make a request that please, okay. So and that could be an urge. Okay, so likewise the children can. So he requested him. Some if object is not given, that also you can use, and or directly also you can write. So he requested to be quiet and listen his words. He requested to be quiet and listen his words. Okay, you can write. He urged. He urged to be quiet and listen his words. He urged to be quiet and listen his words. Or either you can say he requested to be quiet
Noted, sir.
and listen his words. Or you can say in order to be quiet and listen. That depends upon the imperative mood. Okay, but if the please comes, then you become sure and certain that it is a request. So, like children, you have understood about the imperative sentences or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, children.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you write it there in your notebook what they have done so far. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And now then I will write the further
Okay,
ones.
sir.
All of you, all of you, what is there on the board? Is there any student who has- all of you? Okay. See, say, open the window. Yes, what it will become?
She ordered me to open the door.
Window room. Okay, so she ordered me to open the room. She requested me to open the room. Likewise, it will be.
Sir, we
Okay,
can use anything.
no, no, it depends upon the mood. But sometimes what happens, Aditya, it's a close. है if a boss is there, then that is order. Okay. If a subordinate, okay, is there, then that could be a request. But you
Okay, sir.
have to understand the imperative mood. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But here, if please or like that is not given, then you go for order. Okay. So it will be better. See order me to open the window. And if a please is given there, you can use she requested to open the window. Is it clear to you, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you do this, then write the next. Then captain, the captain said to the soldiers, attack the enemy. Yes, what will come?
The captain ordered the soldier to attack the enemy.
Yes, captain will order only, or either if we command, he will command. So the captain orders soldiers to attack an enemy. The captain orders soldiers. The captain ordered the soldiers to, okay, attack the enemy. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
captain
Yes, sir.
soldiers. So the mode is that of imperative mode is that of order. So the captain ordered the soldiers. Then what you have to use? Two.
To attack the enemy.
2 plus first form. The captain ordered the soldiers to attack the enemy. You write the next. I said to him. I said to him. This place at once. I said to him.
I requested him to leave this place at once.
Leave this at once. Okay, or I urged him. I urged him. Urged him to leave that place at once. Okay, so likewise you can use it. Then principal, the principal said to the peon, bring the bell.
The principal ordered the peon to ring the bell.
Yes, correct.
The principal ordered the peon to ring the bell.
To ring the bell. So now you have that how.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
सर यहाँ पे सजेस्टेड यूज नहीं होगा.
No, no, it's not a suggestion. Principal is an authority. Principal is the boss. He is the authority. So what authority will give? Authority will give order. Okay, you are a suggestion to your friend that work hard. Okay, for exam. So he suggested to work hard for exam. Likewise, that would be a suggestion. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Likewise. Okay. So principal said to the peon, the principal ordered to ring the bell. Next you go.
Sir, we have to write this in our notebook.
Yeah. Always you should write. Always you should write because why? See what we have done here in the class, that is to be done in the notebook. That is the standing rule. Because while you will prepare for exam and
Okay, sir.
when you will revise it, then with these examples, things will become more clear to you. So always you should. Then I said to him, please bring me a glass water. So this will become
I requested him
Yes.
to bring me a glass of water.
because the is there, so what it is request. So I requested him to bring a glass of water for me. Okay. So like then, so all these you have understood. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some sentence you will find with let Let. So I am giving you some examples to do. He said to me. He said to me. Let us go home. Okay, let us go home. So it will become. He suggested to me that we should
He
go.
suggested to me.
He suggested to me. He suggested to me. Let us go home. He suggested. He suggested me. Okay, either you write it like this. He suggested to me that we should go home. Okay, he suggested to me, let us go home. So likewise, children, write some more example. Yes, you write. Ram said to Mohan, let him do it. Okay, so what it will become, Ram?
Ram suggested Mohan.
Ram
to-
suggested Mohan to
that
let him do it.
Let him do it. It will change into that. So Ram, you can say Ram suggested Mohan to let him do that. So you can also write Mohan to let him do that. Ram ordered Mohan to let him do that. Okay, Ram ordered Mohan to let him do that. So like with let also not making a big difference, you have to do in this manner. These are the imperative sentences where a command is given, an order is given, a request is made. Okay, so will you be able to do these sentences, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then children, the next it is regarding this exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences where you will find an exclamation mark, or there are certain sentences in which a wish is made. So now regarding exclamatory sentences. Okay, so some of the examples we will discuss regarding exclamatory sentences, how they are changed. Said, we won the match. Okay. Then second you write Rima said and last Avinash. Okay, so Ram said to Ray, we won the match. So this is an exclamation for joy,
Sir, exclaimed.
happiness, or sorrow. So this is of joy. So it will Ram exclaimed with joy. Ram exclaimed with joy. What it become? Ram exclaimed
with joy
with joy
that we have won the match,
that they, Ram exclaimed with joy that
that they won the match.
won the match. That is simple past. So it will be changed into past perfect. Ram exclaimed with joy that they have won that match. Okay, Ram exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. So in exclamatory sentences, what you have to do? You have to understand the emotion conveyed there with the exclamatory word. Okay, and then you have to use like this: exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed, okay, with delight. Likewise, you have to. So here, Ram exclaimed with joy that they have won the match. Why they have won the match? Because it is simple past. We won the match, we change into it. So Ram explained with the joy that they have won the match. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ram said, this is expression of what? This is expression of
Sorrow.
Sorry.
sadness.
Sadness.
Okay,
Sorrow.
this is expression of sorrow. Sorrow. So Rima exclaimed with a
Rima explained that
Sorrow.
sorrow.
yeah, Rima exclaimed with a sorrow that
Explained his sorrow that the Karina, her mother, was suffering from cancer.
Karina's mother
Was suffering from cancer.
Was suffering from cancer.
yes, simple is changed into simple past. So Rima exclaimed. Rima exclaimed with a sorrow that Karina's mother was suffering. Okay, so likewise, these two things same. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ जी. Then children, in some sentence, these are the exclamatory sentences. So this you have understood that in exclamatory sentences, whatever the emotion is conveyed, that you have to use. Okay. You guys, he said, "Alas, I am under." Okay, so it will become. He
He
said, "Alas."
exclaimed with sorrow that
He
he was
said,
undone.
Yeah, so he exclaimed with sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. Okay, students. So likewise, it is to be changed. Okay, then it is. Then somewhere it is regarding wish. A wish is to be. A wish is to be. Okay. May God bless you. For example, you write this. The class is there. My mother said, my mother said, may God bless you. May God bless you. Okay, so my mother said, may God bless you. So, what did it become? My mother prayed that may God bless him. Okay, God might bless him. my mother said, my mother wished that woman might place him. Okay, so likewise, if a wish is made in similar manner, you have to do. Okay, students?
Sir, please repeat.
Yes.
Sir, please repeat that
Yes.
answer, man.
My mother prayed that God might bless him. God might bless him.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then, so likewise, children, these are to be changed. So all these, what we have discussed, that it's 11:40. The time is getting for the next class. Okay. So you have understood these sentences or not?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Uh, shall I take a test tomorrow in the next class?
Sir.
All of you will be able to respond promptly. So
Yes, sir.
all together, I will give you examples. Now we have discussed all the sentences. Okay, statements, questions, request, commands, all these we have discussed. Okay, exclamatory sentences. So all together, I will give you the questions and then you have to do all these. Okay, students, so come prepared for the next day. Here this class comes to an end. Okay, thank you.